Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll be giving you a quick explanation on how you can add taxes on Shopify. So this is really essential for managing sales tax and complying with local laws. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course log into your Shopify, and once you've logged into your Shopify, you will be redirected or to the admin dashboard. So basically you will access the tax settings. So you will just have to look for your settings, and then you will look for taxes and duties. And by the way, this is optional, but you could also enable automatic taxes by turning on calculate taxes automatically, and then Shopify will calculate tax based on location. And if you want to manually add tax rates, you will just have to click add tax region, and then you will enter the country state, and then go to tax rate and then click save. And then after that, you will apply the taxes to the product by going to the products, and then you will select product and then charge taxes and then click save changes. And if you want to test the checkout, you will add a product to cart, and then you will proceed to the checkout, and then you will verify correct tax applied. And yeah, that's how you can add taxes on Shopify, and it's really simple, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.